Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in TikTok in simple and easy step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open TikTok again. Step 2. Restart the TikTok app. Close the app completely from the recent apps. Wait for a few seconds. Then open it again. This often fix a small glitch. Step 3. Restart your phone. Turn your phone off. Wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Then try opening TikTok again. Step 4. Clear TikTok cache. First go to settings, then apps, then search for TikTok, tap storage and select clear cache. This removes temporary files that may cause errors. Step 5. Update the TikTok app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for TikTok and tap update if available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 6. Reinstall the TikTok. If the problem continues, uninstall TikTok, restart your phone and install it again from the App Store, then log back into your account. Follow the simple steps and your TikTok should work smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.